Installing cement backer board provides a stable base for your tile and prevents water damage. Plywood can expand and contract beneath tile, causing loose tiles and cracked grout. But the cement backer board prevents damage to the floor. Follow these steps for an easy installation. To properly place backer board, first plan a dry run before you begin to install. Place the backer board so the joints don't line up with the joints in the subfloor. To fit in small spaces or around obstructions, score the board with a utility knife, then cut it using a jigsaw with a carbide blade. Apply thin set between the cement board and the subfloor. With the flat side of a 1/4 inch notched trowel, spread enough thin set for 1 sheet of backer board. Then, use the notched edge to comb the thin set. While the thin set is still wet, lay the sheet of backer board into place. Thin set dries slowly. You'll have time to adjust the backer board sheets as needed. Repeat this process, spreading thin set and laying 1 sheet at a time, leaving a 1/8 inch gap between each backer board sheet and a 1/4 inch gap between the backer board and the wall. Secure the backer board sheets with screws drilled every 6 to 8 inches. Position the screws 1/2 inch to 2 inches from the edge of the sheets. Drive the screws in so that the heads are just below the surface of the sheet. Using a putty knife or the flat side of the trowel, cover the joints between the backer board sheets with thin set. Smooth the thin set so it extends about 1.5 inches on each side of the joint. Cut the fiberglass mesh tape to length and apply it to all the joints. Once the tape is embedded, spread a thin layer of thin set on the top of the fiberglass tape. Knock down high spots and feather the edges so the surface is as smooth as possible. Allow 24 to 48 hours for the thin set to dry before tiling, and you will have a perfect base for your tile installation. To get started, here's the full list of tools and materials you will need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.